Jari Multisilta, you're the professor in the Tampere University of Technology in Pori, working in the Advanced Multimedia Center here. And you were sharing today very interesting workshop called the Innovative Borderlines Between Design and Information Society Technology. So what were the topics or questions that rise in the workshop as a whole?
Yeah, the workshop was very interesting and kind of mixed, because we had a lot of discussion from the technology point of view, from how business networks are formed, and on the other side we had also discussion about art, producing arts, and what's the role of the producer in culture area. One interesting area what we discussed quite a lot was telecom business area, how it is on big chains, and how operators are trying to figure out should they create services, new services, or whose business it is actually. And similar question arises from the area of governments and city councils. Should they produce some kind of services, and how this kind of network of players should be governed? I think those were very crucial and important questions we discussed.
Was there any kind of dialogue between these two branches, so the economical side and the art and design?
I think that the producer in culture, in art area, that kind of person needs skills in very many areas, and he or she needs to understand the artists, the business and project management, and as the presenter told us, managing this kind of art product is more like creating a story to keep this people and different actors together. And I think that this is not just special for art, but it is also a feature that you can, or somebody doing a software project could say that, okay, these software people, they are artists, and you have to create a story in order to get this product finished. So in that sense, there are a lot of similarities in producing art and producing a product in ICT area, for example. That's interesting.
What about producing services for society, for large audience, for welfare system?
Probably that's the same. Although when we produce services so that there are different companies and city councils and this kind of things, I think that the players are even more diverse, and the problems are more difficult than with the artists or with the ICT people. So yes, this is complex question, and we didn't get any answers, but we got good discussions.
Did you have a feeling that you were speaking same language? Did you understood each other, even though there were artists and economists and engineers?
I think so. Although earlier today somebody told me that in the beginning of multi-scientific projects, one person told that he thought that we are speaking the same language, until he realized after a couple of months that they mean totally different things with this concept, what I mean something else. So yes, I got the impression that we understood each other in this workshop, but I don't know.
So this is the beginning of the beautiful friendship.
I hope so, yeah.